Good morning, everyone. This morning we are going to go into historical subject associated with our mythology, psychology, philosophy, religiosity, everything. Kamal Puja was practiced in India, but it is believed that Kamal Puja actually started in Japan, in Nipponic society. Kamal Puja in English is known as Harakiri. And the meaning of Harakiri is meant to self-sacrifice for some better reasons, to save the disgrace to the nation, to offer sacrifices to God, like self-immolation, sati pratha. These were the things for purpose of God were performed. They were performed that God, I'm giving my life for, to please you, to propitiate you, for your pleasing. So, Kamal Puja was also performed for the same reason, but it was a little bit different. In Sati Pratha, the widow used to burn herself on the pyre of her husband, giving herself for the god. In Kamal Puja, usually men used to perform the Kamal Puja. When they actually were defeated in the war, they would not come home, but they would cut their throat with their own small blade sword. Or they will ask the person to chop off his head in one stroke. This was a Kamal Puja. I prepared 4 points for the purpose, the point, the aim and intention behind the Kamal Puja. What was the motive of Kamal Puja? Number one, self-sacrifice for self-dignity. Japanese soldiers or soldier anywhere would go to war, and if they were defeated, they would not like to come back and show their face to their family or their nation or their neighbors or their peers or their parents. Before reaching home, they are going to perform Kamal Puja or Harakiri. They will commit suicide. They will cut their Adam's apple. Adam's apple means their throat with the sharp blade of knife or sword. And if they cannot do that, if their hands are trembling, then they are going to ask their peer, and the peer will definitely oblige. Their peer means their colleague, their friend, who will use his sword, and within one stroke, the head would be separated from the body, torso. Point number two, self-dismemberment. Kamal Puja was performed only one way, not any other way, like dipping yourself into the milk, like Dudh Piti Kari Devi, or Sati Pratha, like self-immolation, or taking poison, or committing suicide, falling from the mountain cliff, or drowning yourself into the deep water, or throwing yourself in front of the wild animal. Nothing like that. That was not Kamal Puja. Kamal Puja means in India, person will go in front of the deity, god or goddess, and fish out his sword and cut his head in front of the deity. Means a god or goddess. And purpose was to tell the god or goddess that I'm actually sacrificing myself to propitiate you, to please you. So bless me in the heaven. This earth is not good for me. I don't want to live over here. I'm going to end my life with my own hand so that you can be happy and you can give me better life in the world to come, in the posthumous life. I want to live happily in the posthumous life, not the present life. Point number three, to prevent disgrace to the nation. This harakiri or Kamal Puja was performed by most of the defeated soldiers. Soldiers who were losers and suckers, according to Trump. Soldiers who were defeated, loser and sucker, these kind of soldiers would not return home and had that kind of temerity or that kind of courage to tell friends, peers, parents, spouses that they were defeated. They did not have that kind of temerity to accept the defeat. So before reaching home, they would perform Kamal Puja somewhere in their life by dismembering his body, chopping off his head from the torso, and this way they will end their life in the form of Kamal Puja, in the hope of sacrificing for the God, and hope that God is going to definitely please his sacrifice and give him a better posthumous life. Posthumous life means life after death. Point number 4, roots found in Nipponic philosophy. They believe Western media, Western literature, Western societies believe that Kamal Puja started in Japan. Japanese soldiers, kamikaze type of soldiers who were defeated by America or by any other powers, they used to perform Kamal Puja because they were too disgraceful. They were too embarrassed to show their face to their family, their peers, their parents, and they will commit suicide. But according to my point of view, Kamal Puja actually is the Gitayan mantra. It actually started in Gita. That is why its name is Sanskrit, Kamal Puja. So Kamal Puja is controversial subject, but the meaning of Kamal Puja, the connotation of Kamal Puja is the similar, whether it's a Japanese or Indian. But in Kamal Puja, a person actually sacrifices himself by cutting his Adam's apple, cutting his throat for the sake of God's propitiation, to please God. Self-sacrifice is given to God. I am not successful, but I am a loser and a sucker. I am a failure in this world. So please give me the better world, or give me the better posthumous world. I want to end my life of the misery of this world. That is the purpose behind that. To save the grace to the nation, to save the grace to the society. So that's all the time we have. Thank you very much for listening. See you again tomorrow. Until then, God bless everyone on this planet. Amen.